Welcome to Spring LIB.
All right, so for the first part, we're going to use the formula EMF, peak EMF equals omega, rotational speed times flux, or N, number of turns, times magnetic field strength, B times area. So area A is therefore EMF over omega NB. Remember, omega is 30 RPM, revolutions per minute. You multiply that by pi over 30 to get to convert that to radians per second. So omega is pi radians per second. In other words, it's 3.142 radians per second. And so this is, so A turns out to be 9 volts over 3.14 radians per second, 142, times 2,000 turns times 8 times 10 to the negative 5 Tesla, giving us area of 18 squared meters. And in part B, we find the velocity, the translational velocity at any point. So we assume that the maximum, a point on the coil is that maximum distance from the axis of rotation. So V equals omega R, the rotation speed times radius, and radius is A over pi, or square root of A over pi. And this is because area is a circle. Area is a circular area, so it's pi r squared, meaning R is the square root of A over pi. Okay, and so this is, again, well, let's just write it as pi radians per second for omega, and A we just found out to be 18 meters squared over pi, and this gives us root 18 over root 18 pi, which is 7.5 meters per second. Now this is a very low velocity, and so it is not feasible to use this to generate anything. So not feasible. And that's it.